Good morning, students. Yesterday already I have discussed about the chapters. The chapter's name is Three Questions. Now, where I ended, after that paragraph I started. I have completed the first question answers. Now comes to the second. In their answers to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. In the second answers, some of the people said king most necessary to use some counselors, getting some advice from the counselors. And some others said the priest. A few others chose the doctors, and yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. And some of the persons said what? They said choose the doctors, choose the priest, or some others said choose the soldiers. If you get the second answer. Now come to the third questions. To the third question, some said science, others choose fighting, and yet other religious worship. Some of the persons, what is the third question? What is the most important thing to do? So some said science. Why science is advanced technology? Some said fighting. Through the fighting, we can get the third answer. And some said the religious worship. So do the puja or worship, we can get the answer. As the answers to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no rewards. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. So, the king heard the different answers. So, the king decided, not to give reward to anyone. And he heard about one hermit, one priest, who had widely knowledgeable person. So he decided to go to the hermit hut. Now see, the hermit lived in a wood which he never left. Now, who is hermit? Hermit, a person who lives alone and leads a simple life in jungle, who leaves his house and live in a jungle and live simple life. The hermit lived in a wood house, which he never left in the jungle, in the forest. He saw no one but simple people, and so the king put on ordinary clothes. The hermit only met whose people? Those who live simply. So the king decided to wear an ordinary clothes and went to the hermit house to meet the hermit and asking about these three questions. Which are the three questions? First question, what is the right time to begin something? Which people should be listened to? And third, what is the most important thing to do? You already know why the king decided to ask these three questions, because he wanted to be always successful. For the purpose, he wanted the correct answer to the three questions. That is why. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. In the middle of the jungle, he said to his bodyguards, "You keep it here, you stay here." So and I want to go alone by this way and meet the hermit. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his. As the king already told his bodyguard to stay here and I am going to alone there. After that, when he reached the place where the hermit lived, what was he seeing? He saw that the hermit was digging the ground in front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. He greeted the king. When the hermit saw the king, he greeted. Then he was continuing doing what? The digging. And he was digging and digging. But when the king saw the hermit was very old and weak, as he worked and breathed heavily, the king went to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. The king talked about 3 questions to the hermit. Asking 3, he wanted to know. What no? He wanted to know 3 answers of the 3 questions. That is why he was being there. Hermit heard about the king. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important? Now 3 questions you told the hermit, but hermit didn't give any response. He was continuing digging himself. The hermit listened to the king but did not speak anything. He went on digging. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. Spade means kudari. So, when the king see the hermit was very old and weak. So, the king wanted to help him. Already the king said, spoke the 3 questions, and the hermit was already listening. So the king said, you are tired now, taking too much breathing. So the king said, let me do your work. Give me your spade, I dig for you. So the hermit says what he said, thanks. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. The hermit gave his spade to the king, and he was very tired. And the hermit was sitting down on the ground, taking rest. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. The hermit gave no answer, but stood up, stretching out his hand for the spade, and said, now you rest and let me work. When the king had dug 2 beds, the king already took that spade and dug for the hermit. When completed 2 dugs, he stopped and repeated his 3 questions to the hermit. But hermit didn't give any answer. But what did hermit do? He stood up, stretching his hand and taking the spade from the king. And what was he said? The hermit said, now you got some rest, took some rest. Let me do my work. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. The king already saw the person. He was very old and weak. So the king did not give this spade to the hermit, and he was continuing digging. 1 hour passed, the sun went down behind the tree. At last the king struck the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me so, and I will return home. Here comes someone running, said the hermit. After digging, 1 hour passed. Then another 1 hour passed. Now comes to the sun was hiding behind the tree, means the sun had down, and evening and night comes. At the last, king struck the ground with the spade, and another time he asked 3 questions. When he came to the wise man, what he said, the king said, if you want to give me 3 answers, please give me. Or else if you did not want to give me the 3 answers, tell me. I do not give you any answers. So I will return my home. At that time, someone running towards the hermit said the hermit to the king. So this is the first part completed. We will meet you in the next class in the second part. Thank you.